Are you going to use a cheater bar on those buds on that corn binder? Have you checked the TDC on that Cummins ISX 2350? Maybe to test that engine, we should run it at WOT. If you have no idea what we're talking about, don't feel bad. If it's one thing the heavy-duty industry is great at, it's creating acronyms and industry jargon. These acronyms are commonly used in repair information, including wiring diagrams, remove and replace instructions, recalls, and other technical documents. Marketing materials from manufacturers and dealers are no different. You'll see words such as B50, Tier 4, aftercooler, and VGT commonly used. Enter Diesel Dictionary. With the Diesel Dictionary, you and your team can quickly look up any term commonly used in the diesel world with just a few short clicks. The Diesel Dictionary is your free tool to help you gain a better understanding of the world of commercial trucks. So next time someone mentions they operate a wiggle wagon or ask you to take a look at the pintle hook, you now have a quick and easy way to see what they're actually talking about. Try the Diesel Dictionary and all our other tools free for 30 days. Head to repair.diesellaptops.com to get started today.